I don't know if you paid attention, but there are two prizes in this conference. I hope there are. I got the prizes that are not from us, from Tel Aviv, not the prizes from the Journal of Proceedings, the Quantum Reports. It happened to be that I'm a chief editor. I think everyone is really welcome to submit submit for proceedings. The standard thing when you submit these proceedings, they ask you for 1,600 euro or something like this, of Swiss francs. Maybe it's, I don't know, it's less or more. Anyway, if I find that it's very important, then this will be waived, or it will be maybe reduced in some cases. And I really want that you will submit as much as possible. If there will be more than 10 contribution, it will come out as a book. Otherwise, it's called special issue, which really just special issue because, but it doesn't really, things are even not together, they may come in different times. Official deadline, I think it's end of January, if I think. The many word interpretation. What is the question? Yes. Now, why many words is not in a consensus? So if many words interpretation is wrong because of something, this is acceptable. The many word is new breakthroughs are also acceptable. Everything related to many words, positive or negative. So please think about, and if you are kind of late, you can also discuss with me what more details for what topic is more appropriate, for what topic is less appropriate. Another kind of related issue, I don't know, I'm usually not easily pleased with things. I think I'm pretty pleased with the conference. Thank you very much for your contribution. Without it, it would not happen. We're working toward consensus, and this is exactly what I want to say. Since I don't feel we reached the consensus, so I plan to have something like Harvard series of Zoom lectures, but this will be maybe once in a month, or if there are many volunteers, it will be even with more frequency. I think I will be able to find this technical issue shortly after the conference, and please, everyone who thinks that he has some issue, some talk which was not presented here or it's new, please write to me. I probably will start with people, Dave Albert. I think this is really kind of, I feel his absence is very strong in the conference. But he wrote to me that he is ready to do this, maybe one of the first Zoom presentation. I think the right format, it's kind of a big 1 hour or close to it talk, and then something similar time for discussion. So it will be for everyone to enter. I think I will be another one, because there is this teleportation issue, which I strongly believe that teleportation is because the words are non-local, and this is how one should explain it. But there will be no time for this, because I got more contribution from others, and I want to show them, and I want to hear your reaction. So this will happen until the end of the conference. And I almost forgot about prizes. Since some people will disappear at lunch, and this is a Nobel Prize, but still the idea is to present it personally. So in the end of the day, it was kind of my decision, but I was trying not to make it my decision. I discussed with several people and got input. And unanimously, David Wallace got a prize of, what's the definition? Most profound contribution to the discussion, award. So, David? Now, still, there is only 300 euros, which I hope there is, because I still didn't get exactly instructions how the 300 euros will come to you and will come to the authors of the poster, which we have, Carlotta. Sorry, I supposed to know how to, but we have a person who reads.
Oh, well, okay. Certificate, Best Poster Award. Carlotta Versmold, for, I might mispronounce the name. Huber, Jen Zvieswier, I'm sorry, I probably messed that up. Alina Kostner, Jasmine Meineke, and Harold Weinfurter. Is that for one of you? Oh. Okay.
And I just want to thank first all of you who stay here until it's 1 week, and you're still here, and it's close to 6 p.m. on the last day. Usually, it's not happening. And I've been in outside of Israel 10 hours before beginning of this conference, and so it's I have to thank very much to Karen. Without her, it would not happen. So she deserves, I have to say in my words, please. We also get help from Neta and Ronit, which are other secretaries which were involved in this conference. Alon did great job, and then Guy, he is really, again, without Guy, this would not happen. And